Hello, my beautiful friends. It's another day with another recipe. I'm here. Today, I'm planning to make mutton with zucchini. It's zucchini mutton or mutton zucchini curry. And for this, I'm using three medium-sized zucchinis, two medium-sized onion. I'll slice them and fry them till golden brown in half a cup of oil, two medium-sized tomatoes. I have these mutton pieces which are around more than 1 pound. I think 1.5 pound we can say. And then two medium onion slice. I'll take 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. In the spices, I have 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add or make it a little low if your family likes it less salty. Then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. So with these things, I am gonna chop the onion, and in half a cup of oil, I'm gonna fry them till golden brown. See you then. So exactly at this stage, I'm using a pressure cooker. Exactly at this stage, when the onion, two medium sliced onion has turned light golden brown, we are gonna add our 1.5 pounds of mutton. You can also make this recipe with lamb pieces. So I'm gonna add this mutton pieces to it. Then mix it. So after frying for 3 to 4 minutes nicely with the light brown onion, as soon as the pieces of the mutton changes their color to nice light brown, we can add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and then 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste along with all the spices which we talked about and the tomato pieces, chopped tomato, 2 medium tomatoes chopped. We are going to add all of it to our nicely light brown meat mutton pieces. Once the spices and the chopped tomatoes along with the ginger garlic paste has been added, we are going to mix everything together and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes before adding water and putting the lid on medium flame. We are going to cook it for easily 12 minutes. So we put the lid on the pressure cooker, and I'm going to set the timer for 12 minutes. And the pressure cooker is actually, the flame is on medium high for 12 minutes. So after cooking it for 12 minutes on medium flame, when I open the lid, it looks something like this. Nicely tender, 75% done mutton pieces. And in this, there's enough curry, and we are going to add our 3 medium-sized small pieces zucchini or turai. We are going to add this to the curry. This stage, we are just going to mix it and let it cook on medium flame for next 10 to 15 minutes until the zucchini is tender and fully cooked. And we don't have to add any more water to it or any spices. I think it will be just fine, because zucchini and usually the vegetables, they release their own water or the juices too. So it's enough water for them to get tender and cooked. I'm just gonna cover the lid of the pressure cooker nicely on it without locking it, and cooking it for 10 to 15 or 12 minutes according to the zucchinis. We are just gonna cover and cook. So exactly after 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the meat and the zucchini, with how tender they are, we have to take a look. Oh my God, wow, looks good. Now we have to keep cooking it on high flame for 3 to 5 minutes until the oil separates and everything looks quite cooked. So exactly at this stage, when we can see the oil has come up, we're gonna add few pinches of fenugreek leaves, crushed, some sliced green chilies. The fenugreek seeds give a kick to the seasoning and flavoring. And then I like to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And along with that, my favorite allspice, 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, which is also the garam masala powder. We can add this nice shades of green, and we are gonna lower down the flame to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, covering it with the lid loosely and turning the flame down. After 4 to 5 minutes, we'll open the lid and see how it's going. Nice, looks good. And now we are gonna add few handful of the frozen or freshly chopped coriander leaves to the curry, giving it some more nicer aroma and shade. We're gonna add this. I had the frozen one. You can also use freshly chopped or frozen, it's one and the same thing. And then mix it well. After covering it, let it be on simmer for easily 3 to 5 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes of cooking it on the low flame or simmering it covered for 5 to 7 minutes, this is the final look of the zucchini with mutton. It's a very easy recipe. Please make this recipe, enjoy it with your family and friends, and I hope you like this video and keep watching my videos. Subscribe and like the video, leave a comment, and I will see you guys with a new and nice recipe the next time. Take care, goodbye, stay healthy and happy.